Carmel community, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Jared Thompson, proud principal here at Carmel Middle. We enter into the school year with the foresight to know that these are the times that will be remembered for decades to come. It will be brimming with constant challenges, obstacles, and frustrations. However, we are fortunate enough to overcome these barriers together as one Carmel community. Our team at Carmel consists of 1,385 students and staff members, and you are just as important to the success of our mission. We must work to cultivate a dynamic and cohesive school, family, and community partnership that maximizes student achievement and support. Each of us have a pivotal role to play in the fulfillment of our vision within any academic setting that we are in, and that is to prepare all students to be productive, engaged, and contributing members of our community who are consistently progressing to career and college readiness as lifelong learners. So please take time to review your child's schedule and move through this virtual open house viewing your child's teachers' links and embedded videos. Also, the support staff that will be supporting your child on their particular grade level. We wish you the best. We will work tirelessly to provide a rigorous, equitable education for all, and we can't wait to get started on Monday. We'll see you soon.